Hello everyone, I forgot to film an intro, but come thrift with me and wait to the end for a little haul. What bag do you like? Yeah, it's like a nice bag. Like that, like those shoes. Oh, I like them shoes. Like the bucket one. I also love these candlesticks.
First shop is St Luke's.
We've got a furniture section. Toys, clothes, fabrics. I should get this for Sophie. Wedding function. Oh, I like them. They're like our ones, aren't they?
Yeah, they are the same as it. Same weight.
Lots of glassware. Oh, I like that glass. That's so heavy. Crystal. Oh, Heineken. The wheel. Oh, I like these salt and pepper shakers. Grinders. I love that colour. Just don't tell Dad. Books, any books from my wish list? I can never be able to check. Shoes. I'm thinking Prague and Rome now for clothes. I like the colour of this bag. It's really pretty. I've got lots of bags and lots of shoes. Look at these boots. I'm obsessed, but my calves would fit them and they've got heels. A 90s party pack. I've got loads of big plasticky rings, which are all really on trend right now. Like the real funky big rings. And jewellery. Oh, I'm really blurry. Was I blurry that whole shot? Rings. Yeah, we'll bring this one. Ooh! Funky glasses.
They are proper baby shower glasses.
Baby shower glasses, a bowling ball, and a terrifying mask. Oh, I like that green vase. On to the next one. Gucci sunglasses for £48. Oh my gosh. I've just brought some Ray-Bans, I'll show you. I just bought these, they're not real, but I brought these in cents, so £3. I'm also wearing my craft porn earrings, and my top was £4 from Havens with my charity shop gift card. Next is Bernardo's. What is it? Oh, is it like a dog bed? God, that's so cute. A Marvel puzzle.
That's hard.
Oh my gosh, it's another 1,000 piece though. Well, we need a hard one after the easy one we had the other day. What we found, Mum? Top. It's all too small. I'm looking for neutrals for Rome and Prague. I like this little candy jar.
It's not really now, it's very
Oh my god. I like this. This is a good idea for hats.
That is a good idea.
Hanging. We always struggle with knowing how to hang stuff. I'm going to look at that puzzle, Mum. I'm not going to answer that one.
I want to walk back down there and look at the puzzles.
Oh my gosh, is it playtime? I've got loads of teddies. Honestly, before you go to Disney next, if you had a kid, you'd just come in here, wouldn't you? And
Yeah,
get
bye, Ursula.
I wouldn't normally grab something out the window, but it's like it's easy to grab.
That is really hard.
Yeah, maybe we'll give this one a miss because it's a bit difficult. Trolls, Barbies, My Little Ponies. Lots of games. This is the perfect one to come in if you want toys. And also, they always have nice shoes as well. I always forget to look down at the shoes, but they always have so many nice shoes as well. Some of the island slides, but they're really tiny. They're size 2. Zoo Rider. Oh, yeah, loads of glittery shoes. June as well, that's a nice brand.
I mean, I don't know who's drinking out of them. That's one mouthful, that is.
That's even smaller than a shop.
That is.
A blue theme going on. Turquoise. What have we got? Pac-Man. Little spooky skeleton. Oh, I like that. Look at the colours on that one, Mum.
Like yours.
Yeah, I like that. That's how much is it?
And it's $5.95.
Don't know who's changing names in this one. So Remy. Oh, he's so soft. Remy. I actually have already got a Remy, so we're not going to be getting him, but he's very cute. He's very soft. There's also a Hey Duggy for anyone. His kids like Hey Duggy. So cute. Love this top, the boob bit. It's not enough to see my recent haul, you'll know how deep is that. Girl. Little friend's top. What are you looking for?
Oh, I had a top like that before.
Oh, yeah, you did.
That's a metal one as well.
On a rainbow. I love a Pyrex stuff. I really do feel like we should buy one. Oh, they've got their Christmas bits out already, look.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you're moving into a house, like you would just come here, surely. Like, oh, look. That's Sophie's colander. Love this store. Lots of electricals in here as well, which you very rarely see now. This is where I should have come when I wanted my scales. I like this lamp. Can I change this? Which is it? 350. I'm tempted by that. Last one. Purchases were made in Zoo Rider. Ooh, lots of books. More dressing up. I'm looking for my stuff, my ninja costume I'm gonna make. Oh, I do like M&S jeans, but they're short, annoyingly. Lots of good puzzles. Got a Stranger Things 1,000 piece. So I'm back from the shops and I thought I'd show you what I got. Couldn't bother to set up my filming situation, so we're just gonna do it here. So first thing I got was from the last charity shop we went in, which just cancelled. I'm looking at Mum and she's not giving me the answer. A charity. It was the last charity shop we went in, and we got this, the brand that built Britain, 1,000-piece puzzle. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know we recently did the sweet puzzle. Got one from Cancer Research for $2.50. I don't know if I hauled that, but it was really good. So we thought this one would be quite fun. Although the sweet one had very vivid colours, whereas this one, obviously it's like older packaging, is going to be slightly harder and is a lot more little packaging. But hopefully, as they're small, it should be relatively easy. There's no big parts to the puzzle. That is just kind of an empty place. However, it is like mapped into a circle on here, so we don't know what's gonna be the edges. We've got no clue. Oh, actually, hold on. It looks like on the back, it goes right to the edge, so that's fine. I just didn't want a vast amount of space. I always get my puzzles from the charity shops. You do run the risk of missing a piece, but I don't actually think we have missed a piece at all in all the charity shop puzzles we've done. Working in Sense, I know we do not check the puzzles because we don't have time to sit and count 1,000 pieces, plus we'd end up counting it wrong anyway. But I've always risked it. If you're going to give it as a gift, maybe do it first yourself so you know it's all there. But I like a jigsaw. And on the topic of jigsaws, from the same one? From Zoo Rider, we got this Disney puzzle. We're almost certain we do not have this one already. As you guys know, I do collect the Disney puzzles, the 1,000-piece ones. So this one I thought was super cute. The only reason we don't think we've got it is because they've got a whole like Jungle Book section and no, Jungle Book and Lion King section. I don't remember doing them. This will definitely be a bit harder than the sweet one or that one, but we'll give this one a go. Then Mum got from that final charity shop as well this Labyrinth game, which is played at one of our friends' houses, and she said it's very good. So she was looking for this for ages in the charity shop, so we finally found one. This was £3, and I don't know if I told you the price. The Britain one, it was £3.50, and this one was £2.50. And then finally, which you guys want to see in like a upcycling video soon, I brought this lamp. Now, I just thought the base of this lamp was like the most gorgeous shape ever. I'm going to try and do the kind of the bicarb and paint solution that I've done before. If you want to see that video, I've done it ages ago on some glass bottles. And I thought that would be gorgeous on this. And I'm thinking of taking off this and doing like a macrame shade. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to kind of play around with it, but that will be in a upcoming DIY upcycling video. So yes, that's everything I picked up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, comment what your favourite item was down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.